So now we're going to whip the wheels off. First job we're going to do is install coilovers. I want to give a massive shout out to MaXpeedingRods for coming on board with this build. They've sent us out coilovers. As I've always said on the channel, MaXpeedingRods coilovers are awesome for entry-level people who want to get into drifting or racing, actually, any racing in general. They are a much better option than your stock suspension in your car, which will have a lot of body roll, and they'll get the job done for you to get you out on track. Not everyone has massive amounts of money to spend on expensive suspension or any parts on your car, so stuff like this just allows people like us to get out on track. You know, he runs them in his 180SX. I've got them in the E36 build. I had them in my purple car for 2 years as I progressed through drifting, and then slowly started to upgrade stuff. But yeah, let's open them up. And I don't even know what color I got, but huge thanks to these guys. There's a discount code in the link in the description. Grab yourself 8% off using the discount code, which makes them even cheaper. So that's pretty nuts. But let's have a look at this bad boy. You reckon they're gold? Yellow? Off yellow? Mustard yellow? Is that what they are? The big reveal. Off yellow, mustard yellow, gold things. Oh, look at this, they're damper adjustable as well. Focus on performance. Adjustable damper coilovers. Look at that. How good. Alright, so these are going in our car. Oh man, I'm so stoked. Look at this. And like I said, these guys have actually upgraded their coilovers. They listened to the users like me who ripped these parts out over the ripple strips when I first put them in my car, and now they're thicker. So that's nice. Much less chance of doing damage. Look at this. Is this the adjustable dampener? Mad. So we're going to go ahead and chuck them in the car. And that's how you take the wheels off your BMW. Classic Jordan. So as mentioned previously on the channel, 18mm to take the shock off. And he's gonna have to undo that with a extension breaker bar thingy. And then you just literally undo the 2 bolts from the shock and you can pull the spring out here. The rear is super simple to do. The fronts are just a little more complicated, but not too bad, so. Alrighty, stock shocks out. Stock shocks are stuffed. They do not rebound at all. So it's a good thing that they're gone. So here are the freshies. Let's have a look at these. These guys have improved the quality of the build, for sure, 100%. Everything looks a lot better.
Beefier.
Yep. Yeah. Happy with that. Beautiful. Max speeding life. Just quickly before we lower it down, guys, this is how much lock that you'll get. Amazing. How good. I'm friggin' stoked on that. It's perfect. Perfect beginner drift car, eh? Woo! Love that. Happy with that?
Yeah.
That's sick.